Hello and welcome to the Microsoft Office Word short course. My name is Nicola and I'm the instructional designer here at Stellitech, and I will be guiding you through this learning activity. Unsurprisingly, Microsoft Office remains the most widely used Office productivity suite, with nearly 3/4 of all people who have access to it using this. This is why we felt this course would be valuable to you. Before we begin the training, it's necessary for us to talk about the Microsoft Office suite and the similarities between the different softwares. So let's go ahead and just navigate to Word. So because I'm in Windows 10, I can just go here to the search bar and then type in W. There you see Word popping up. Now we just wait for it to open. Right, for the purposes of this demonstration in the similarities, I'm just going to open a blank document. Don't worry too much about this at this current point in time. I'm just going to be having a brief chat with you. Alright, so now you can see that we are in Microsoft Office Word 2016. At the top here, you'll see the title of the document is Document 1 Word. That basically just means that we have now opened a new Word document. You'll see that the visual of the software actually represents a blank page, but we won't go into any of those kind of visual analyses right now. So at the top here you can see we have the Home tab. The Home tab is a very important tab, and it is something that even if you forget everything that I told you today, just remembering the Home tab will give you very important skills so that you'll be able to create your own Microsoft Office Word document. This Home tab is also a common characteristic throughout the Microsoft Office software suite. Another common characteristic is the Insert tab. So let's talk about the Home tab a little bit. The Home tab has various additional functions. Here you can customize the font, the paragraph, and the styles in which your document will be formatted. The Insert tab is important for adding additionals to your document, so you can add a cover page, a blank page, page break. You can even add tables, pictures, charts, and so on and so forth. But for the purpose of this course, the most important thing we will need to remember is the headers, footers, and page numbers, because those will be used most often in any kind of basic Word document. The Insert tab is also a useful place to add things to your document, because sometimes a document can be misunderstood. By adding visuals to your document, you make your document as easy to understand as possible, and sometimes it communicates your idea much better if you have a visual representation of the idea. The rest of the tabs on the ribbon will be customized depending on the software suite, so you won't always have the same things in your Design tab, your Layout tab, the References tab, the Mailing tab, but that's not important right now. The similar thing in all of the suites is this thing over here. It is called the Quick Access Toolbar. If I press the Quick Access drop down, you can see that there are some additional things which can be added to the Quick Access Toolbar. Everything which has been checked can be viewed on the Quick Access Toolbar at all times. Another similarity between all the software suites is that you have the ability to minimize and maximize your document. Let me show you over here. See, now it's smaller and I can move my document to the right if I wish to do so. But for the purposes of this course, I'm just going to maximize it, as we don't need to be doing anything additionally. On the bottom of your screen you will see that there is a little percentage, and you can see that it says zoom level. So what we're going to do is we're actually just going to make the document 100% so that you have an accurate view of what the page size will be when it is printed or when it is emailed or so on and so forth. So let's go on and create our very first Microsoft Word document.